Hi, it's Joan. This week we're looking at strong hands and responding to strong hands and what helps us to get to slam. I did some workshops in Perth 2 weeks ago, and this was the topic of the first lesson. And it was really great to see all the questions that came from it, and it brought up Key Card Blackwood. So, strong hands. Here's a strong hand. 21 high card points, a solid diamond suit. This is definitely a 2-club opening. The only bad thing is the clubs, that you're missing the ace and the king. So you'd say you've got 2 losers in clubs and 1 in hearts. When you count losers, you assume that a trump suit will trump the shortages. So hearts, you're missing the ace, king, queen, but you've only got 1. So this hand would be a 3-loser hand, 1, 2, 3. So open at 2 clubs. And partner unusually responds 3 clubs. This is a positive with clubs. Normally they would bid 2 diamonds, which says, I'm waiting to see what you've got, partner. I haven't got any particularly great suit, but I'm waiting to see what you've got. So 3 clubs would say, I have at least 5 or 6 clubs, and I have the 2 of the top 3 honours. So they'll have the ace, king of clubs. So we know we're going to slam, but the question is, do we bid 6 or 7? Well, now we need to test for aces and find out via the Blackwood convention what partner's got. We sort of already know they've got the ace, king of clubs, but have they got the ace of hearts as well? Well, they've said they have 2 key cards and they don't have the queen of clubs. We know that because we've got the queen of clubs. And so according to their bidding, we pretty much know they'll have the ace and the king of clubs. And if they'd had the ace of hearts, that would have made 3 key cards. So Key Card Blackwood is the 4 aces and the king of the known trump suit. We upgrade the king to the same importance as if it's a 5th ace, and we talk in terms of 5 key cards. And it's really good. It gives us a lot more information. So we know that we're going to be missing this one trick here. So we should just bid 6 clubs. We're almost sure it'll make. Yeah, there's the ace of hearts lead, and we're going to lose that, and that'll be it. Nothing more to the hand. We knew partner would come up with the ace, king of clubs because they gave a positive. Let's say they had 5 clubs just to the Jack 10, 9, and they had a king somewhere else. They would never show a positive in clubs. They would start with 2 diamonds, which is waiting, and then they might show their clubs. But showing a positive in the beginning is sort of telling us that they can cover 2 of our losers. It's a really great way to bid. So look, we would win. There's nothing the opponents can do, really. We can take the trumps out. And we are now going to play all the diamonds. We've done all the trumps, got no more losers. So I'll just quickly go through the hand. And 12 tricks. We nearly knew when partner gave a positive that we would make slam. It was just whether it was small slam or whether they had the ace of hearts as well. And Key Card Blackwood would have revealed that. So very good idea to learn and use Key Card Blackwood. It really is not important, but more people play what's called 1430 than 3041. You can have a look on my website at the notes, and have a great week.